Time to do question number 2. Find square root correct to two decimal places. See, we have to find out the square root till two decimal places. It means that is not a perfect square. We will not get a definite value, but we have to divide until we get the number up to two decimal places. Okay, see, to make it two decimal places, it means a big number should be there. So what we will do, firstly, this is the whole number, this is a decimal part, so they are the different parts. Okay, we'll keep them separately, alag alag rakhenge. This is the first pair, this 6 comes single, but here I need to have some more numbers so that I can squeeze the number till two decimal places. So what I will do, I'll put 0 by my own choice. Why? Because in decimal place number you can put the zeros by your choice, right? So this become one pair, one more pair, two pair are more than enough. Then we'll see. Okay, let's start. 2 to the 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. Next pair is 45 and double of 2 is 5. Let's do the calculation. 5 5 that 25, 5 4 that 20 and 2 25. Okay, 5 5 to 25, it becomes 25, sorry 20. 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 2 2, and this is nothing. Now I have to take next pair 80 here, but the thing is here is a dot, so this dot will automatically go upwards. Okay, this dot goes there, it becomes 2080. Double of 25 is 50. Now I have to use the same number which will be goes there, so 503, 3 3 the 9, 0 15. If I use 4, this is the rough side, you can do it at rough page only. Okay, 4 4 the 16, 1 5 4 the 20, 20 16. So 5, let's do with 5 also to check. 5 5 25, 5 5 the 25. It is a bigger number, so I'll use this. 4 20 16. 80 minus 16, it's 4 6. 20 minus 20 is 0. Now the next pair, that is 0 0, and double of 25. Now we are leaving the decimal here, it becomes 254. Double of 254 is 4 4 8, 5 5 10, 2 2 4 and 1 5, 508. Now I'll take one more number, it's 1 5081, because if I'm using greater than 1 like 2, the number becomes so increased, so I'm taking 1 only. 10 minus 1 is 9, here comes 9 minus 8 is 1, it's 3, it's 1. Now I have got a number up to two decimal place. After decimal I have got 2 digits, so I need not to solve it more. I need not to solve, this is the answer. So 25.41 is the answer. You get it? The only thing you have to keep in your mind is, beta, when you divide, when you use the division method, you have to separate the whole number and the decimal parts. This whole numbers pair will be separately made, and these decimal places will be used zeros to make the pairs. Got that? You do it. I am giving you one more question for practice. 107.45. When we make its pair, it becomes, this is the one pair, this one is left out. This is one pair and this is two pair I have made. Okay. Now solve it in your notebooks and show me the answers. Thank you.